If you're experiencing Cloud Save Error 2026 in League of Legends, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience and get back to playing. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing issues with the game servers. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close League of Legends completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary issues, including cloud save errors. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that your League of Legends client is up to date. Open the game launcher and check for any available updates. Download and install any updates to ensure you have the latest version. Step 4. Repair the game client. Use the built-in repair tool in the League of Legends client. Open the launcher, click on the gear icon, and select the Initiate Full Repair option. This process can fix corrupted files that may be causing the error. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking League of Legends. Add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the firewall/antivirus to see if that resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Cloud Save Error 2026 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to League of Legends support for further assistance.